doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. My Disney Illy Forever fashion dolls have not arrived yet. I'm patient. While we wait, we might as well work on a backdrop. I have this DreamElla Castle that I bought on Amazon for $34. You may remember it from a previous video, because it was just a few days ago. And the stickers are already falling off, like here, here, and here. But I really like the shape. I like all the windows. So I'm thinking maybe we can do a quick little makeover of some kind. Maybe using stickers, trading one set of stickers for another. First, I am removing all of the factory stickers that I just put on. And we're done. That didn't take too long. The castle is now empty. Let's take clear plastic from packaging and cut a piece to fit inside the window frame. I have some stained glass window film. I cut out a piece that is slightly smaller than the plastic. Place it onto the back side of our clear plastic. Try to get those bubbles out. I'm struggling at it. Then just place them in the windows. I cut the clear plastic so I can just push it in. There's no glue, no tape, no nothing. It's just staying in place with those little brackets on the sides. If I ever want to change it, I can just pop them right out. And it's a cling paper, so it's removable. Now we just have to do all the other windows. I place the clear plastic over the window, then I trace around it with a dry erase marker. Cut it out, trace it onto the window film, sketch an inner line, cut it out, remove the backing, then place it onto the clear plastic. It's just a film, so if you make a mistake, it's easy to reposition. Then place it into the window. If your measurements are off a little and it doesn't want to stay in the window, you can use a little double-sided tape to help hold it in place. Now that the windows are complete, I want to get rid of the top floor. For me, having 2 stories is difficult to store, so I use a screwdriver to remove the screws so we can lift the top and put everything on the same floor, giving us a large open area. I picked up some stickers at the Dollar Tree. They are puffy stickers, so they're going to give us a little dimension. I add them to the top of the windows for a little embellishment. I remove the doors and flip them around, so we have the painted side on the inside. I found a few puffy stickers that look like books. I place them on the walls and cut a thin piece of another sticker to go between them to make a little bookcase. I covered as much of the walls as I could, hoping to give it kind of a Beauty and the Beast library kind of feel. Let's bring back a few of the furniture pieces. I place the curtain on top of the little balcony area so it can drape around this window and just soften it a bit. I like the idea of having stairs to nowhere. They are a fun detail that we can move around the room. We can bring back the mirror. Not sure where to put it, but it's a fun prop. I lay down a poster board for the floor to complete our little backdrop, using only stickers. So we traded one set of stickers for another. Will these eventually peel off? To be honest, I don't know. That is a possibility. It's been over 24 hours and they are sticking pretty good. They are removable. So if you're like me and change your mind constantly, you can remove them and redecorate. We can modernize it a little by bringing in other furniture pieces so our dolls have somewhere to sit and read a good book. I think this is going to look great in photos. All those windows allow us to play with light, and it's a pretty large space. so we can add more inspired dolls. This is the Disney Princess Jasmine made by Mattel. I bought this doll for $10.99 on Amazon. She does have the basic 5 points of articulation and a molded top. So we're gonna do a little head swap onto a made-to-move Barbie. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. Place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head is soft enough to be easily removed. Place it onto the new body. I take down her hair, spray it with water, and comb it out for some very soft waves. We're gonna leave her in these tights and see if we can borrow this shirt from Wreck-It Ralph Ariel. How about some turquoise shoes? A scrunchie maybe? For a sporty Little Mermaid inspired look. And now our little Belle fan has an Ariel fan friend. Speaking of Ariel, I kinda just wanna see what she looks like on a made-to-move body. While the water is warming up, let's add this Puma sweatshirt. Only we're gonna flip it around and put it on our Ariel fan for a jacket that doesn't completely cover her shirt. She looks like a match for our curvy Mikasa, who is on one of the curvy made-to-move Barbie bodies. I mean, how many Mikasas do we really need? While she is over there cooking, I finally found Disney Doorables at the dollar store. Well, the Dollar Tree for $1.25. It does feel like there's only one figure inside. So let's see which one we got. That's a collector's guide. And our figure is Fire Spirit from Frozen. This is from Series 4, and you can see the little spirit all the way around. I feel like these dolls would collect Doorables. And we have a nice little table in the back for them. Okay, one more. Olaf, another Frozen character. Last one, I promise. And we have Abu from Aladdin. Ariel has a squishy head, so we can remove it and place it on the made-to-move body. We are straying from the inspo here, so let's go with an Aurora theme. We have a pink and white top paired with some denim shorts because you know she does that whole pink and blue thing. I gave her hair a quick rinse and I think she's adorable. I'm kind of loving the new faces. Will these dolls be added to the shelf? Well, we'll just have to wait and see because the Illy Forever fashion dolls are on their way and space is limited. I am totally into this Disney vibe. And I'm loving it. Thank you for joining us while we decorated our castle with stickers and made a few more inspired dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.